¿Dónde está la estación de tren?
Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
Disculpe, ¿dónde se sacan los billetes?
Excuse me, I am looking for the ticket office. Excuse me, I am looking for the ticket office.
Querría un billete de ida a...
I would like a one-way ticket to... I would like a one-way ticket to...
Querría un billete de ida y vuelta a...
I would like a round-trip ticket to... I would like a round-trip ticket to...
Me gustaría sentarme en la zona de fumadores.
I would like to sit in the smoking car. I would like to sit in the smoking car.
Me gustaría sentarme en la zona de no fumadores.
I would like to sit in the non-smoking car. I would like to sit in the non-smoking car.
¿Cuál es el horario de salida y de llegada?
What is the departure and arrival time? What is the departure and arrival time?
¿Cuánto vale el ticket de primera clase?
How much is a first-class ticket? How much is a first-class ticket?
Entrada.
Entrance. Entrance.
Salida.
Exit. Exit.
¿Dónde está la parada del autobús?
Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
Un billete solo de ida.
One-way ticket. One-way ticket.
Un billete de ida y vuelta.
A round-trip ticket. A round-trip ticket.
¿Vas a...?
Do you go to... Do you go to...
¿Tienes los horarios?
Do you have a schedule? Do you have a schedule?
¿En qué dirección tengo que ir?
Which direction do I have to go? Which direction do I have to go?
¿Con qué frecuencia pasan los trenes?
How often do the trains run? How often do the trains run?
¿Cuántas paradas hay para llegar?
How many stops are there? How many stops are there?
Por favor, ¿me puede avisar cuando lleguemos?
Please tell me when we get there. Please tell me when we get there.
¿Cómo llego ahí?
How do I get there? How do I get there?
¿Dónde está el metro más cercano?
Where is the closest metro station? Where is the closest metro station?
¿Cuál es el precio?
How much is the fare? How much is the fare?
¿Cuánto queda para que salga?
How long does it stop? How long does it stop?
¿De qué anden sale?
From what platform does it leave? From what platform does it leave?
¿Tengo que hacer transbordo?
Do I have to change trains? Do I have to change trains?
¿Está ocupado?
Is this place taken? Is this place taken?
¿Cuánto vale?
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
¿Dónde tengo que bajarme?
Where do I get off? Where do I get off?
¿A qué hora sale el tren?
What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave?
Todo recto.
Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
A la izquierda.
To the left. To the left.
A la derecha.
To the right. To the right.
¿Hay metro en esta ciudad?
Is there a subway in this city? Is there a subway in this city?
¿Dónde puedo comprar un billete?
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
¿Tienes un plano de metro?
Do you have a map showing the subway stops? Do you have a map showing the subway stops?
Por favor, lléveme a esta dirección.
Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address.
¿Queda lejos de aquí?
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
Estoy perdido.
I am lost. I am lost.